Welcome to the Rustic Garden Homestead. Today's video is more of a tutorial. I'm going to show you how to use Gemini, Google's AI, to create a chart that shows you the average day temperatures and night temperatures for each month in your area, what to direct seed each month, and when to start transplants indoors. It also show you how to figure out the first frost date, the last frost date in your area. You can do this in about 2 minutes. In the video description, I will put in the keywords that I use to search and create these charts. But I'm just going to explain to you how simple it is to use the AI on Google to really get all the information you need for vegetable gardening. So let's get started with really creating the chart and then seeing when you have the high and low temperatures each month in your area. This is the chart we're going to create today. Just go to your Google landing page, find the AI mode, give it a click, and you're ready to go. The key to this chart is average day temp, average night temp, and average days below freezing. That basic information allows you to really figure out when to start cool crops, warm crops, and then again in the fall, you can do your cool weather vegetables. The information is out there on the internet. This makes it so easy just to get to it. Average last and first frost dates, and then here's a closer look at the information I was talking about. From really March until October, November, I can grow most vegetables in my garden. Here's the basic paragraph that I used. It will be linked in the video description. Just copy and paste that, change out Howard County to your area. You can get just about anything you need with respect to information about seeding and growing transplants using the Gemini function, the AI function on Google. Every zone is a little bit different. So when I'm talking about what to plant, what to seed start, it's all, with respect to Howard County where I live. By using the AI function, you can really tune it into your growing area, and it's going to be much more accurate for you. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. I'm hoping to get to 1 million subscribers in 2026. I do need a lot of help, so every person really does make a difference. And remember, when you're in doubt or you're looking for information, try the AI search on Google. It'll really give you detailed information for growing in your gardening zone. I added include 8 crops that are good to direct sow each month. I just wanted more crops to be included in the chart. Here's a quick look at the 8 vegetables they included to direct sow. Very accurate, worth giving it a shot. One of the keys to kind of creating this temperature chart is your summer crops really thrive and grow based on the warmth of the soil. So by creating a chart like this, you're not just looking for first frost date, last frost date. Ambient temperature, the surrounding temperature, doesn't matter as much as the warmth of the soil. So by creating a chart like this and looking at the averages, you can really start to see when that top 2, 4, 6 inches of your soil begins to warm up. As it gets warmer, the rains are warmer, the soil gets warmer. Bottom line is, if just because you put a tomato plant in, say, April 1st, you protect it from the frost, it's just going to sit there and shiver, sort of, because the soil is too cold. So it may even turn purple. It's not going to really grow. That's why putting in a plant, May 1st, May 10th, compared to that plant that you put in the first week of April, sometimes takes off, catches up to that tomato plant, or grows beyond it because it's getting into the soil when the temperatures of the soil are correct. And a lot of gardeners really focus more on the warmth around there. So this chart really will help you understand when you can begin to put in the warm crops and really match them to warming soil temperature. Next, I added include with each month 5 crops to start indoors. Here's the chart now with temperatures, direct sowing, and what to start indoors. You can really do whatever you want and create any kind of chart. This won't create a file that you can use, but it will put it into a PDF-friendly format that you can just copy and paste the information that you get, and then copy it into a Word document or something like that. Print it out, save it, use it for later. This is what it looks like. Perfect. Thanks so much for watching. Please check out my seed shop at therusticgarden.com. I sell tomato and pepper seeds for $1.75 a pack. All other seeds are only $1.50. And during the winter, when there's not a lot going on, do a couple AI searches, collect information for your growing season in 2026, and it's really going to help you out. Thanks so much for watching.